Homemade is a completely different story. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making the authentic Genovese pesto sauce. Yes, you can buy it already made, but fresh is so much better and so easy to make. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below, although you can adjust the quantities to your preferred taste. Gently rinse the basil under fresh water, then drain the leaves. Dry them thoroughly with a cloth or a vegetable spinner. The water is removed by gravity and so it's easy to use. The leaves come out perfectly dry. Remove the basil leaves from the stems. Choosing the right basil is so important. The area around Genova is the largest basil producer thanks to its perfect microclimate. Their basil has a very distinctive sweet flavour without any mint or anisey taste. Place all the ingredients in a bowl. For cheese, you can use Parmigiano Reggiano or Grana Padano. Optionally, you can add also Pecorino Sardo, which is sweeter than Pecorino Romano. Pulse the mixture in short bursts with a food processor or a hand blender. This intermittent chopping is crucial for maintaining the pesto's vibrant green colour, as it prevents the basil from oxidizing and turning dark. Continue pulsing until the pesto becomes a smooth paste and reaches a creamy consistency. You can use the pesto immediately in so many recipes like pasta, gnocchi or pizza. However, if you want to impress your guests with the traditional Genovese recipe, check out the video Trofie with Genovese pesto, green beans and potatoes. If you need to store it, cover the surface with a thin layer of olive oil to preserve its colour and freshness, and keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. No, I do not freeze it in ice cubes, as frozen pesto is not as good as the fresh one. If you have leftovers, flavour your breadcrumbs and then freeze. For more Italian pasta sauce recipes, check out the playlist above. Discover our Italian mug collection with QR codes for easy access to your Guardian Chef's recipes. And don't forget to subscribe. I wish I never had any leftovers.